We're hardly any water on the main wash, so let's see how deep this will go to lots of bedding in. It's been very weird on this wash. Subscribe to the channel. It's quite absorbent on this wash today. I think it cleans the clothes mostly on the winds on this wash, in comparison to how much water was in on the main wash. There were hardly any. So I think the winds is probably the one where it's going to wash better. Still quite hot as well. You can tell the water is a bit dirtier. There's not much. There weren't much washing on the last main wash. Do it because some clothes bit probably didn't even get a bit wet. Better wash action though on the Wednesdays. Yeah.